Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trim clips with Revid.ai tools, and make sure you will have logged in with your Google account. And in the left side you will see the options in creation is videos. So you will just select it and it will preparing the setup. So I will just recently created this number one video. I will just tap on it, and when it's preparing and completely load, so I will just tell you that how to trim clips from the video. So here is the image one, image two, you will see in bottom. So when I just hold it, and it will close to right, so it will trim it, you will see. And the video length is short. So if you want to trim in the last, and you will just slide for right, and here is the last image. You will just hold it and you will just close to left, and it will automatically short. So this is, you can just trim clips with using Revid.ai tools. And if you want to just make more tools in this, so you can just simply upgrade your plan, and you will just choose the plan. So in this, after choosing plan, you will just uh, like feature of full video editor access and much more features here you will see. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.